Morning guys. Prank natin ulit si Brel. Sabihin natin may surprise tayo. Pero wala pala. Lagyan natin dumi yung mukha niya. Tatakpan kunwari yung mata. Pero yun pala may dumi. Or hindi naman dumi. Makeup. Tara. Let's go. Let's go. Brelski! Brel! Lagyan pala. Wala natin ng ng ganito. Makeup. Yung kamay bago natin tawagin. Para. Okay. Brel, come here. I have a surprise for you. Brel, come here. Come here. I have a surprise for you. Come. Come, come, come. Come, come. But I need to cover your eyes. Okay? Okay. I have to turn around. Turn around. I have to cover your eyes. Okay? Then let's go. You have to stand up there. Here. Here. Stand up there. There. Stand up. You will see there and in the mirror. Okay. Stand up. Here. Stand up there. There. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Yes or no? Are you ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Cherry! Surprise! Surprise! Dali, surprise! Surprise! What's your surprise? What? Surprise! It's a prank! It's a prank naman? It's a prank? It's a prank.